Come test drive the 2016 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.